Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC using Bluetooth and play Steam games. First, open your PC's Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Next, press and hold the PS and share buttons on your PS4 controller until the light bar starts flashing. On your PC, select wireless controller from the list of available Bluetooth devices and confirm the pairing. Now open your Steam app and log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to the Controller tab and enable PlayStation configuration support. You can also calibrate your controller from the same menu to fine-tune button response. And that is it. You've just connected your PS4 controller to your PC and are ready to play Steam games wirelessly. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.